Look at the Quran. You do not find much about abstract concepts. Muslims got tangled with the old Greek philosophy and mythology like Aristotelian narratives, whereas the Quran not only focuses on divinity, but also much about the nature. قُلْ سِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَانْظُرُوا كَيْفَ بَدَأَ الْخَلْقِ. Say, travel in the land and see how he originated creation. Go explore the land, gain knowledge of the nature surrounding you. Research the fossils, rocks, and riverbeds to see how things began, and through them get to know God and His work. Then the Quran connects this world, this life, to the next life, as it says, then Allah will originate the everlasting life. It also says, قُلْ انظُرُوا مَاذَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Say, see what's in the heavens and the earth. Look up the sky and discover what's going on up there. Don't just sit there in seclusion or think about mythology, philosophical abstracts, and austerity. Go to the world beyond Earth, build observatories, and discover what is happening up there in space.